Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Insem TVGH so what me Adwoa searching.
Kono. And a health to here. To the sense say if every be 5 kilometers be there's a fully established health facility and can bro Ghana so. But you see, NMC any development plan agenda for the country in Inti. Gabi was talking about agenda 111. You see, who say and Gabi, who catch them say we should have thought of A, B, and Cassens be near Yeri. And no na Ben to be cast here, Kosombo, na Ghana for be dress your population this one. Ben no fast baso. So 111 no, and yeah, and you both stepper, a pepper my health problems, and get my solve it. But because there's no enforcing power, Yajaho, cash, send me coachamo by Cassie, Eko Fufua, na me raho.
Ade.
Kohe project every bear 80%.
A project.
No mula agenda 111. Maybe district there oh Kofufua NC. Two free by Cassie kwa. On sa right.
Okwa pe.
Na mula. And the unfortunate thing is that I hear what Chinechi say Abankas was said twice wa. Ye a come sabe bono. And I did Obama area, Obama district on one hospital. I can see a woho. A Kropon government hospital. And now a Sophia. Now we need pay woman hono. Now we have facilities me anyway. Into Debia, they will move from a Sophia or a Sama to G.
All right, Mamimrem.
Meanwhile, we could have established this in the sense the entire area.
My tenancy agent who be say contractor buying edema on the French agenda 111. Where baby to settle the DA. Almost see you, Madame will be or can engineers now. They be sending pictures. Snakes a Google on your snakes ketwa.
Yeah.
But my main question is how far and I buy a contract in my own say, Deadry, you discanning my contract and no we in a juma. Project ni be arguing on tears here. Meanwhile, you sue for employment. Nurse is 40 fear, ye kase, nurse is 40 fear, mne, obi o high impost you, obi o kwa we in service or does it fear. Meanwhile, Sergeant, the 111 year. And kon me be kampampa aton saponi e yo mu nyina obi abenya adwuma e bia ye nurse fo be ko nya adwuma ye samale fo benya adwuma e bi o hwa ye I mean what is happening
so we are not academy
yeah
initially net transformer you say the lighting system transformer and a transformer by you say the road network into how long how much will it take
project
yeah ekwan thank you put that into use.
Make during time.
Now only foreign investors, sign a collaboration. Now or sign a fake. Wouldn't we set them a habo around there? They catch them set them a habo. A joint the man in Mahama near Ibrahim Mahama and a handle Unimwa. South France in a short time for 7 years. How many years? A ken quack, I'm telling you. Ken quack, and no crack. Okwa no for bi ebina Lawrence here no NDC phone siasi e ko wa kwasem a ohwe ya party no usia obi kwa oda babo ntimeku no NDC leadership was the most corrupt people ebi sida Lawrence na wakunkum nkrofo se o masi dan mienu kwa jike dey ebu adan me see enen uduru mi krom e ho jiji nkrofo fi sen kunkum nkrofo no ewi akire GOPDC Ghana Oil Palm Development Company. Who are one thing in that? I think that Obu company in that. The most biggest company in Ghana, a Ghana Oil Palm Development Company. The most biggest, the whole Ghana company and employing for power. Your friend Ghana Oil Palm Development Company. One thing in that they are, and then come what in the end. Oh, you're younger. Now you're trying to short to say GOPDC. Unu maybe enewo na obi krom kwai kwa biblum unu de kwaye Lawrence ni Malaysia ni nyanko a ofri Malaysia esete Ghana for say wa ton company ndi ma Malaysia ni hello trick ya odiji Ghana odi be Ghana funi o ka kire Ghana phone na say company na sa time me so am see so ne ma me na stay farm adwuma no ma me na o de car be so wo ko adwuma na nipa ye adwuma was ha company no over 2 million state farm why is it ton adwuma no oton me da say of akambo atense we nimpa nya me hira oton company in the Malaysia ni any Malaysian ni ya dey say ye ne dia say a Malaysian not know say na ono ana eto ama ne ho na ese so to ama ne ho a wakunkum nkrofo because of say nkrofo ewo afọ manager pade ntino ebeye o how kese ama ne ntino ana o de man na for Malaysia ni say na for Malaysia ni no emekrem say on na ato ana wo na ono a edi ne din to so enti ofire konwa so a setem no na ka 2 years penso no ofire konwa so ana ton company no enti ko ofire konwa no so no na ko ni Malaysia ni na ko transfer ko tina ade enti wo se Malaysia ni na da so na so bi bia e ko bia no unim percentage no maye no na ye 60-40 or is there 60% because on na obe handle all the consequences no unim there oye kufuo ti ebedi ade no ana onya hint ni say no company na run say to Malaysia ni no e fake ana wo peni kufuo nya line no se sika na so to ye na o se waton ye nim adekode ebi ana se si a black vote na koye no baby ko sika na so waton on train baby o di sika na koto ene djuma o di se sika na oton Malaysia ni na ye no run say djuma ni ya no ento wo peni kufuo di Malaysia ni ko court se we improve baby ko onya ene sika na otu aye ni evidence a obeje jopade no Malaysia ni kune ho Malaysia ni na ye will and we kunu ho no de jopade na ma ne ba eti ronzi di abona na go di na enke jopade enti na me no ka say Ghana Oil Palm Development Company no ye yi Ghana na firi so se say enye Ghana biem development only development company ye yi Ghana firi se say kwai emme fu e the whole Ghana company no and name no can say the whole Ghana maybe a map pa at the same company no was that to be quite a home would miss a buy and name no can say when you're an idea no be 45 years and any idea a buy one dear Oba papa ni who say Malaysia ni who say kufu bet me be company na free ni sem because now no so to say no so abana dwen say ye two rollings we pa obeta meji rollings and I say obeye word a tell the man wo kunu say na wo say man no plan so obe and na me no ka say on the tahuru ma conduct ye nyina no e kire say obi ani sika wo what is o ma ba bontia be po obi a chew
Debi omo nka wasam kra bi se se cathedral no on te kra so omo ka ho bi o
and so me no ka say family and friends amemu a omo atuji akufuado e wo mo no hwa friend is Oboroke Sam George. The classmate if one quarter 13, I Ministry of Communication.
Yo.
The classmate to where the name classmate.
Yo.
Omunina ya adwuma okuja to braka ne former girlfriend 15 years ago why any diplomat wa mana jana adwuma ya Ghana ayi ni diplomat enti wo hwe san kura we mo kuro no mo go kuro mu a enne ukwa ya maame ma omu voter rage enso omu ya demonstration etia PTA ni school we maame mo betua sika ndi mo betua de ambasa me ka chema nse mo de mo fa ni se mo tususu wo Dr. Muhammad Bawumia baby obi ade akru ni ebebi ni ade ama no de aye adwuma because they say yet me nka hwe mfa ho ye wo kromo ani e free SHS ba ye wura mahama awo betire times 2016 wo feli poto and was young for Ghana for sika enko for teachers mano na the same question teachers ni matira no when your opportunity no betina exam sure and you obebu paper no team because answers need now when team is a valid objective right mama I'm a 1 year failing
big time
objective questions no what you
are
not you never
to be the crowd well
to be no
to be the crowd well
to be and what so
Chusubidi nurse for Nyakatia. Chusubidi teachers ultimate Yomoka. Chusubidi Uko North Town and Sio Nipa Ebino North Town Kuja to Abroka.
I but all DJ.
Ebino. Objectives no objective to subidi no ukachire obisa ubemano igbo ho farm to subidi want me to subidi akoko ketenkete want man farm to subidi with the 24-hour economy ba wa failing president mama na ni theory na kasa na light electricity wom no any adum so no benda
Untumi
eti yati wasesi ano practical na adum so ne de Ghana ni bi ansan ko generator nto na what the objectives now eti yebesi June la mu ne dia
mbefili
esum kabureja
mbefili rough
ebetichi Ghana
mbefili rough
papa ni mama mo
Debbie
enta John awaba first one John awaba second one enta then on paper we train 20cc ya change question bia wo sa feli say yeah kura ni akofa question fufuro bia to a wo kura question no akufu adu ya hu bibi ma wo
Yen no kreda. Ibrahim Mahama. Everything about Ibrahim Mahama is John Mahama there. It's for John Mahama. After Yanko Hadia. Obaka asking we say unya sika we him. Raf no a otoka man na wodi display a woji mo Ghana na se on tiase. Say we be ka Ibrahim Mahama asem. Inti yen hwem wa ya wode aba. Na mentu ano so. Afini afa doctor. You don't work on your call. Inti
so to me say nobody actually diago. And you see some of the things these are some of the things that when you talk about it, they will say, oh, Ralph there, or NDC, Ralph there, or you then. Tell me if on your kwasia in a wojene Ghana one. You come and ask me, say, a private owned business, we know, say, Ibrahim Mahama no, the kind of business he does owns international recognition, owns African recognition. Where your continent here, if you are to mention 5 miners, our more globally, the mining company account, and you ask me how much is a private jet? Kwasia onyesika o PDS scanner mo chen ya mo de man no de the akoto private jet onyesika we and the first sky train sky train na mo ka asem wo ye no na mo anya ebesi nde sika ne ye hu ye no enum inonya fie anungwa ye fa ne say kofia na no ho a to ye fa ne say anungwa ba
ya so twem me ba. Raf. O di me gina so me ba. Mesa to wo channel pamene. Sema hu. The way I know say o san be di Ghana for atem say ye nya nkwasiafo a. Semate. O say ye Ghana for ye nya nkwasiafo a. Enka ye badwin say obi ono ye private a business mine. Akoto player adenti ye say adwin ono ho. Na ebusa mba bi onya sika ne fi nti ye nkwasiafo o man Ghana for. Yati. When Sabwa we and a catcher and say, O my Ghana, in the pair woman ye moa, into a bew and I then Sabwa. And net or see, I didn't think a ye Casatia Ibrahim Mahamenti, or no say ye a moa. Ralph say, a home class. Na omon kun omon twon kwana so a na honhom ni wiase. Ralph say ahonhom pa wo man mu ni Ghana honhom wo na omo anku amfiri wiase entam a be say ka na Ibrahim Muhammad Amano ebi kun eno na ebi kun atwahwere I swear and what some had a short video the amount ka na ebi kun atwahwere e wo say ka na kun eje won kwafiri wonsa fi say we man bofo we wudini udi ze we say wuntam free asase we so and ubewu an we ya ofu kwa intimis entisa. I'm telling you ubewu ase we nipa bi ya wo say hyew nam ubi bia say nipa ese nipa etoche we ya bufo pa wo say nipa we be ka kire say na na kokufo adu nua Gabriel ote na ako abie radio station enti akufo adu nim nyansa we ya kromfo ni wo faase wabo bra wo Ralph we wo se ne woni entimi fa wo to Gabriel Tidako obetimi ashow no ebusuafo nyina wo Ralph ebe ka kire yen se na na dogo fodo ne baba abie restaurant be din na ado atam sa atam de na wo de na wo se wo citizen of Ghana wo dwe Ghana ho nti no obi ba bie restaurant ya eye no me eye curse oh minia ba me do fo ba ko pe o ma jo apia thank you, God bless you ebe ye se wo ebe ka kire yen se wo nya wo de na nado bana obi restaurant no eye nkwasiam wasem wo man ni sike na wawia de ama ne ba na nado banya contractor or ye painting you the same guy called Ralph ebe ka kire yen se nye Jimmy no man say the okay ya o man na Jimmy a ka president ba de man e de man contract wona be kai enne thank you so much, I love you too, bro. But I say what they also want to make sense. I love you too. I love you so much, man dear. Enti senka we nyansafo na wonya boa me say car no a wotimu no sa be Mercedes na watama wonti wo be defending kwase defending e be kun be tonkwa na so one time quick enam ketro Ralph my obi en wo date nto na wo de me say wo fun yensie e wo say hwe drobe ene ka ni na because say one free we are saying temwa o man Ghana enkoso o mada we nipa bone fo papa say nkofo we nu bi say no ena ya na man nkofo bi e wo man nu mu a won fa kwanya edi nkofo bone wo de o wa no betim be ketse na nado be di na nado kufuado na nado penipeni we a se bi na jana so won fa so se wo ni kwasiampani no ene wo se kwasiampani no ese no mpo utim be di na tem se wo ye konfo cathedral ukobubu ho no man na tubuye se won ti ase na nado abeg people wo say your man sika enti wo estimamuni ye de usika kutu amana e ko fa nkofo ko say ho no man nyina you this guy and say ye ka tell say Ibrahim Mahama koto plane your man sika dia wo say ye moa ye moa say ye moa na nado obusuafo a wo ka omuasem kan endie omo de na nado say sika de mawo ba John Dramani Mahama de ontimi fesike maninia say ahonhom e wo man Ghana mu ye e wo ho e wo preti ampa na omo show na woni na musi ya ama umpani fie so atuwa na honhom ne o man no I'm telling you also mo cattle